Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha Mishra and you are watching TNB Academy. Welcome to this deep dive into our transformative topic, the integration of ISO 37151 with artificial intelligence AI in smart cities. As cities worldwide become more interconnected, complex and data-driven, the demand for structured, scalable and intelligent infrastructure management grows exponentially. ISO 37151 provides a standardized framework for evaluating smart infrastructure performance, while AI offers the tools to enhance efficiency, prediction, and responsiveness across urban systems. In this session, we will explore how ISO 37151 can serve as a foundational layer for integrating AI into smart cities, ensuring that innovation aligns with sustainability, quality of life, and resilience. What is ISO 37151? ISO 37151-2015 is an international standard that defines a performance evaluation framework for community infrastructure. It helps assess infrastructure based on 14 indicators across 3 core dimensions: environmental soundness, resource efficiency, and economic effectiveness, societal satisfaction. The role of AI in smart cities. Artificial intelligence in smart cities refers to the use of machine learning, neural networks, computer vision, natural language processing, and other data-driven models to optimize urban systems. Whether it is traffic management, waste disposal, energy consumption, or emergency services, AI enables cities to make faster, more informed decisions. However, without a standardized framework like ISO 37151, the deployment of AI can become fragmented, biased, or unsustainable. This is where ISO 37151 adds a strategic value by ensuring AI applications are designed to meet performance and sustainability benchmarks. The need for integration. Why integrate ISO 37151 with AI? The answer is straightforward. AI is a powerful engine, but ISO 37151 is the roadmap. Smart cities must not only be intelligent, but also accountable, measurable, and citizen-focused. ISO 37151 defines performance targets, while AI helps achieve those targets through data analytics, predictive modeling, automation, optimization. This integration supports evidence-based governance, improves citizen services, and enhances infrastructure resilience. Ethics and bias. Aligning AI with ISO 37151 principles. One of the biggest concerns in AI deployment is algorithm bias. ISO 37151, through a technical standard, implicitly supports fairness, inclusivity, and transparency, all vital to ethical AI. Cities must evaluate AI systems based on data quality and representation, fair access to services, transparency of decision-making, privacy protection. By adhering to ISO 37151, cities ensure that AI implementation respects public trust, promotes equity, and avoids digital exclusion. Integrating AI with ISO 37151. Methodology. Here is a step-by-step approach for integration. Baseline assessment. Evaluate current infrastructure using ISO 37151 indicators. Identify gaps. Determine where performance is below desired levels. Data strategy. Design, collect, and clean relevant data for AI training aligned with ISO metrics. AI tool development. Build AI tools targeting specific ISO indicators such as reliability or accessibility. Pilot implementation. Run controlled tests to monitor AI performance and adherence to ISO 37151. Evaluation and feedback. Reassess infrastructure using ISO indicators post-AI implementation. Scaling and continuous improvement. Expand AI usage city-wide while continuously monitoring ISO metrics. Challenges in integration. Despite the benefits, integration comes with challenges. High initial cost for data infrastructure, limited technical capacity in smaller cities, resistance to data sharing across departments, ethical concerns about AI, autonomy, and surveillance. ISO 37151 can serve as a guiding framework to mitigate these issues by promoting transparency, inclusivity, and standardization across AI deployment. The future of smart cities lies in data-informed, standard-driven AI integration. As urban populations grow, cities must deliver services more efficiently and equitably. AI will play a crucial role, but only when rooted in frameworks like ISO 37151 can it truly serve all citizens fairly. Emerging technologies like generative AI, quantum computing, and real-time urban twins will further elevate city capabilities. But this backbone will still be standard-based evaluation and strategic governance. In conclusion, we can say that the integration of ISO 37151 with artificial intelligence offers a blueprint for the next generation of smart cities. ISO 37151 ensures that cities don't just become technologically advanced, but that they also remain sustainable, citizen-focused, equitable, and resilient. AI brings the intelligence. ISO 37151 brings the discipline. Together, they form the foundation of truly smart urban ecosystems. Whether you are a city official, infrastructure planner, data scientist, or policy advocate, embracing this integration will help you build cities that are not only efficient but also ethical and future-ready. Thank you for joining this detailed session. Let's continue to build smarter, fairer, and more sustainable cities powered by AI, guided by ISO 37151. And I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNB Academy.